Hello guys, that's our new video and today we're gonna speak about, guess what? Yeah, cryptocurrencies, the best cryptocurrencies and the other things. So guys, we'll start in a few seconds, but previously in advance, please put your like. Do you know the concept of cryptology? What is cryptology? Does everyone know that concept or not? Cryptology versus cryptography. What's different? Explore the meaning of cryptography and cryptology in layman's terms and know the difference between them. If you are a newbie in the world of technology and words like cryptology or cryptography, cryptocurrency, cryptanalysis, etc., hunt you in the middle of the night, you are not alone. Even some people working in the tech industry for decades might also not be aware of the meaning of that terms, such as cryptography with cryptology, and use them interchangeably, but it's always a good idea to know the exact meaning of important text terminology like this and clarify the concepts at the grassroots level. In the article, we will cover what is cryptology, answer questions like what is cryptography, and go over the difference between cryptography and cryptology. Cryptology is the full concept. Cryptography is part of cryptology and a part of cryptanalysis. Cryptology with cryptography graphic. This chart showcases the hierarchy of cryptology and where various facets of it fit into place. Cryptology and cryptography are two terms that relate to the hiding, disguising, or uncovering of hidden information, as well as the study of cryptographic systems. These two terms are frequently used interchangeably nowadays, but when you look at the two terms at a granular level, you will see some important differences that distinguish them. Let's explore the two terms individually to help you understand what we mean by that. What is cryptography? Cryptography refers to the study and application of code and methodologies that secure information from assets by unintended parties. Basically, it's all about secure communications and data nowadays. What we mean by the preventing unauthorized or malicious users from accessing data while still enabling the intended users to do so. In simple words, cryptography includes all the methods that are used to keep the communications between two parties secret in a way that no one else can read, interpret, modify, or otherwise steal the messages. These are two pillars of cryptography: encryption and hashing. Uh, Encryption is cryptography. Encryption is integral for information security nowadays. You have locks on your doors, wells, and vehicles to protect the things they store, right? Well, digital information must be protected in much the same way, and we gradually shifting to a paperless world where all our information and data is stored online. Whether data is at transit or at rest, it must be protected from malicious hackers, cyber criminals, and other unintended or unauthorized parties. To protect the data, a technique called encryption comes in handy. Encryption means scrambling plaintext data into incomprehensible cipher data. For example, if you encrypt the word hello with the DES algorithm, it will look something like the V slash V six M I B T D L and the other thing. For encryption, the decryption mathematical algorithm and complex keys made of random and unpredictable uh, alphanumeric characters are used. Imagine a regular log and key. The log's mechanism is an algorithm, and the key is a cryptographic key without which you can't lock and unlock the door. Once the data is secure, no one can read or otherwise interpret the original data from the ciphertext without using the special key. Uh, the encoding methods where the same key both encrypts and decrypts data is known as symmetric encryption. Symmetric cryptography. Only the sender and recipient should have access to this secret key. If anyone else gains access to the key, they can use it to access the data. Another type of cryptography is asymmetric encryption. Asymmetric cryptography. This involves using two separate keys for encryption and decryption. The public key, which is available to all, encrypts the data, and the decryption key, which is called a private key, the recipient must keep secret and never share it with anyone. Hashing in cryptography. When people talk about hashing in cryptography, they are referring to something known as a hash uh, function. Hashing means converting an arbitrary amount of data into a fixed length output of and separate data. A hash is a mathematical algorithm that serves as a one-way function to transform a random quantity of data into a fixed length output known as a hash digest. So no matter whether you have 10 pages of data or one sentence, the resulting hash size will be the same length. So guys, that was all I wanted to tell you. Thanks for watching this video. I suppose you definitely like it. Bye bye.